Welcome to MHG. Today opening Divine Cross School Days Volume 1. I didn't watch it, didn't play it, but I know about the boat. So the start of the game is a guy sleeps with a lot of girls, and one of the girls gets mad and stabs him, and there was anime was going this time, and it happened in real life. So instead of showing anime, they showed the boat, and that's how the meme was born. So yeah. Okay, so this is our promo. Looks like a cheap screenshots. Hate those sets. Oh well. Let's just get over with. Oops. Okay, for a second I saw like there is like a line. Yeah. Oh, they all have this stupid line. Like, oh well. Oh, here's a knife. Okay, so yeah, looks terrible. What a terrible set. And like 660 pack for 5 cards. Oh well. Super rare. Oh. You can't have all the winners. Oh, wait, this is normal. Ah, here's like here. Yeah, you can tell by the art. Super rares. It's adult game. Okay, so this is like too rare. So this is like ultra rare. Again, confusing. It's hard to tell if this art so bad. Like, yeah, okay, promo. Okay, so there's duplicate. I put the wrong card. Oh, okay. Okay, this one's barely covers it. I think after this, the hero gets killed. Oh well, okay. Well, this is one's pretty risky. I'm gonna cover it up a bit. So yeah. Overpriced product as usual. And they're not changing it anytime soon. Ultra rare is not a screenshot. Okay, so at least something good in this terrible mediocrity of the set. I opened some before, it was pretty good. Not like super decent. Man, that was a knife. Ultra rare. It's kind of funny at the end of the knife scene. Okay. Oh, we got all the rares, so okay, ultra rare. Well, I pre-ordered before it's available. If I saw the cycle like this, I wouldn't buy it. Man, this cut line, yeah, you can see, like, yeah, it's terrible. I think printers like didn't bother with quality control on this one. Okay, I think this is the last one. Okay, let's just get over with this terrible product. Yeah, there's like a roller line. Okay, terrible product. Yeah, I opened the super rare. It looks like just a normal dude. And we got all the super rares, so we're missing 2 ultras. Okay, we're missing 1 ultra. Okay. And we got all the cards. Well, let's see if we get secrets. Hey, this is like the 4th set opening of Divine Cross. I would be kind of mad if I get secret from this, because I don't care about this product. Okay, wait a second. So there is a duplicate here somewhere, and I don't see it. There's like another super rare. Ah, is this super rare? Okay, no idea, honestly. Ah, here's the duplicate. Okay, I was going crazy. So we got it, but I didn't care if it missed it. Okay, whatever. Ram. And the last pack. What a waste of money. I waste money so you don't have to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.